Want to create a text opening like this? Let's get started. First, import the footage you prepared into the timeline. Make sure you set the ratio and remove the original sound if your video has audio. Next, add your text. Adjust the font, color, and size based on your preference. After that, right-click the text and select Create Compound Clip. Move the playhead so the beginning of the text appears behind the person or object. Then add a split mask. Enable reverse and change the rotation to 90 degrees. Adjust the mask so the beginning of the text is positioned behind the person or object. Then add a keyframe. Move the playhead forward to the point where the text is fully revealed from behind the person or object. Now move the mask again and add another keyframe. Play the video to check the result. If it doesn't look perfect, adjust the mask on the first keyframe. Play again to see the final result. And that's it. Your text opening effect is ready. Simple, right? In the next video, we'll learn more editing techniques to improve your videos. So make sure to like, comment, follow, or subscribe so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.